So you know how Drake, all over his IG, all over his social, he's always promoting that gambling site Stake, right?
Yeah.
So Drake, along with live streamer Aiden Ross and Sweepstakes Limited, the company that owns the social casino Stake, were sued in a class action lawsuit in Missouri that accuses the online platform of circumventing state gambling laws and accuses Drake and Ross of, quote, deeply fraudulent marketing for the company.
And as always, when news breaks, damn it, Maury's on the case. That's why we call him Scoop. Yeah. And he called our friends over at Diamond and Diamond. Now, here is Maury chatting with Sandra Zisckind, managing partner and co-founder of Diamond and Diamond, Canada's largest personal injury law firm.
Sandra, knowing this story, if you're now hired as Drake's lawyer, what's your first move? What are you doing?
So my first move is to remind the people that are suing them that they did sign a disclaimer. So most of these gambling sites do, in fact, have a disclaimer where, in fact, you have to be 18, you understand the risks of gambling, and therefore whether Drake is representing the brand or not, it doesn't mean that you don't still have self-responsibility over your gambling habits.
So does Drake have a leg to stand on in this case? How do you see this playing out?
Oh, I think he totally has a leg to stand on because much like anybody else who is endorsing a certain product, if the product goes bad, there's an understanding that they're promoting a product. Whether the product is good or not, as long as it's not defrauding people in a way that they're not upfront about. So in this case, yes, people are losing money gambling. Yes, they're going online to gamble. Yes, gambling can be a bad and addictive thing. However, they're very upfront about it, and they're upfront about the dangers of it, and it's very clearly stated and warned about on their website.
Sandra, Drake's a huge fan of the Roz Mocha show. One might say he's a flaming Romo, and I'm sure he has the radio on in his massive mansion right now.
Claims like that,
Drake.
bro.
What are you saying?
He's gonna come after us now.
I'm telling Drake, I think this is a frivolous lawsuit, and I think it's probably going to go away. I don't really think this is Drake's responsibility. If the site is not properly disclosing all of the issues and all of the problems with gambling that can occur, then it's really the site's problem more than Drake's. So I think that this probably is more of a frivolous lawsuit, and I don't see much exposure on his behalf.
Diamond and Diamond have over 65 lawyers and 300 support staff ready to assist you. They handle a wide range of cases, including motor vehicle accidents, slip and falls, financial crimes, and long-term disability. You can start your free case evaluation today at diamondlaw.ca or by calling 1-800-567-HURT. Trust the name you know, Diamond and Diamond.